Okay everybody, it's John again from Gasper's Automotive. We're going to do a quick update video here on the Stoughton fire truck project. It's been a while, so we've gotten a lot done, as you can see. This is a Stoughton, Massachusetts 1928 Maxim fire engine. It is coming out beautiful. Everything is painted on the chassis, brakes are done, suspension bushings, everything's been taken out, cleaned, checked, replaced as necessary. The engine's going back together here. We've got the engine and transmission in the truck. You can see we've got all the pistons in and the valves. I just got to adjust the valves. And we've got the transmission completely rebuilt. The clutch is completely rebuilt. It uses a squirrel cage clutch. And we've got all the, again, all the brakes, rear differentials rebuilt. It's just beautiful. It's coming out really, really nice. This guy uses mechanical brakes. Here's the water tank, firefighting water tank. This guy is going to be going back on fairly soon. And here's some tires. Got the tires mounted. One of the rims, the locking ring on the wheel, this right here, this little piece on these old Firestone rims was broken in half. So we have to go get a replacement rim. So we're going to take a trip up to a friend of mine's place in Maine in a couple weeks, and we're going to go do that. So that's going to be fun. So stay tuned for that. There's going to be a video on that too. We've got 3 of those rims ready to go. Here's the vacuum tank and a bunch of sheet metal. Here's our fuel tank. We have to clean on the inside a little bit and seal that and then take it to paint. Seats. Got one of our seats here. This needs some metal repair here on the back side. Check this out. You can see it's rotted away from just dirt, mice droppings, whatever got in there. Not a big deal. We'll fix that. And we got some parts over here. We got the hose basket and some wheel pieces that we need for later once we get that lock ring. And that's about it. So stay tuned for more updates on this Stoughton project. Next time we'll have it on its wheels. And we're going to have the pump in it and a bunch of other stuff. So remember, like, subscribe, and keep that old iron running.